Hey guys, it's Charlie over here at Audi Nashua. I'm so pleased to let you guys know that we finally do have one of our brand new 2025 Audi S3s for you guys to come take a look at. Without further ado, take a quick little sneak peek. Alrighty guys, starting in the front, we do have Audi's beautiful black optic package with the logos and the grille. This is also outfitted with Audi's brand new OLED matrix headlight technology. Working our way to the interior of the vehicle, it is outfitted with this beautiful black and red dynamic leather stitching only available in the Sport package, along with some nice carbon fiber details on the dash. We do also have Audi's brand new driver-oriented display, as well as Audi's virtual cockpit, and some nice HomeLink technology to open up those garage doors with ease. To wrap this beautiful vehicle up, we do have Audi's Park Assist feature. If you're like me, you're kind of lazy, you don't really want to have to deal with things like parking, this will take care of it for you. Come check it out.